St. Mary's family.
Because it is the day when a great principal,
an unparalleled mentor,
an enthusiastic teacher,
and a visionary principal was born. Yes, today we feel very, very fortunate, privileged to stand here and to wish
a very happy birthday
to our respected principal, Reverend Father Jas, on behalf of entire school fraternity.
Today is your birthday. This is a great occasion to tell you that how much we appreciate and admire you.
Your virtues and skills, along with your passion, have contributed a lot in the success of St. Mary's, and you have continued to grow years after years. And your achievements are tremendous and also incredible.
You possess all the leadership qualities which are the biggest reason for success of St. Mary's.
You are an amazing personality and an amazing principal, a figure we can respect and fear. May you have an amazing birthday, and all those that come after it may also be filled with lots of joy and laughter.
May God grant you many more such days to celebrate your lovely existence in this world.
Kings rule kingdoms.
Managers rule companies, but you do the impossible.
That is, you manage thousands of naughty students. We are so grateful to you for impacting our lives with your integrity. We look up to you because you are a person worth looking up to. A positive influence of a good principal stays with us even when we have reached the grey hair stage of our life. And I am damn sure the influence of our principal will stay with us as well. Obviously, we feel very elated to receive your priceless morning assembly messages, which are very much motivating and inspiring. And one of those being my favorite was that once you said, a beautiful person is a beautiful person.
And not only this, he once said, shoot for the moon, even if you miss, you will land among the stars.
And also a quote once mentioned, that sky is your limit.
And also, once he explained that sloping by the woods in the snowy evening, the woods are always dark and deep, and I have promises to keep and miles to go before I sleep and miles to go before I sleep.
Words often feel very less to describe your distinct personality. Wishing a very happy birthday to one of the best principals our school system has ever seen.
May your wisdom spread far and wide.
May you have amazing students to guide.
May your blessing touch one and many.
May you have time to enjoy what's funny.
May your birthday be a fantastic birthday ahead.
And may you touch greater and greater heights, as I said. Once again, wishing you a very happy birthday on behalf of
A very wonderful morning to our respected father. I would like to wish a very happy birthday to our dearest principal. May this special day be blessed with good health and happy moments. A good school is always guided by a good principal. We, St. Marians, are really grateful to have you as our principal. Patience, generous, hardworking, and a good leader are the best qualities that defines you. We have learned all these qualities from you, Father. You always believed in us and encouraged us all the time. You are the star who taught us to shine and continuously inspired us to do the best. Father, you are the one who gave us the wings to fly as beautiful and colorful birds of the St. Mary's sky. Father, you made countless contributions that are truly unforgettable. You are like a candle who lights up our way and guides us throughout our lives. Once again, I wish you a very happy birthday. Thank you, Father.
Every new day is a symbol of hope. Every new flag is a symbol of beauty. Every new child is a symbol of God's essence love towards us. A very wonderful morning to respected principal. First of all, I would like to wish many happy returns of the day. Though our presents are not in the school, but we always think about our school. Especially, we remember our dearest principal and his birthday. On behalf of St. Mary's family, I, Khushi Malik, extend my gratitude to you, Father. Once we were seeds, and God wanted to sow us in the beautiful land of St. Mary's. And Father, you are the owner of this land. You provided us all the essential fertilizers at right time with right proportion. You took care of us with good servants called worthy teachers. With your valuable teaching, motivation, hard work, you enriched us as a good fertilizer. You made us to grow by giving your valuable time, energy, moral and spiritual support. As a climatic condition, you provided us wisdom, knowledge as rain, wind as different skills, opportunity as temperature. And today, your garden is filled with beautiful flowers, having each unique quality. And we hope that these all flowers may shine in the world. At last, I want to say that our words are less in front of your great contribution made in our lives. So on this very special day, we, your children, are praying for you to get good health, long life, and may the joy and wisdom that you spread in the past may come back to you as a great blessing. Thank you, Father.
Good morning everyone. I am Ananya Tomar from class 7th A. Today we are celebrating our principal's birthday. I highly admire your leadership trait and the notion of relentless learning. Wishing you a warm sunshine and a bright smile on your special day. Having a principal like you is surely a blessing to our school. Happy birthday, respected Father Jess.
A very warm and heartful greetings to all my viewers. As we all know, today our leader, role model and principal, Reverend Father Jazz, is celebrating his birthday. So, I, Nancy, the head girl of St. Mary's family, would like to grab this opportunity and wish him many happy returns of the day. We wish you a lot of joy and happiness for today and every day of your life. You are a fantastic example of leadership, foresight and wisdom. Today is a very special day for you and we wish you peace, good health and happiness. You are the reason behind our success and progress. Without you, we would have never reached what we are today. We wish you a bright future and blissful life ahead. During this pandemic, we may be physically apart, but emotionally we are all together. We are your children, dear Father, and we will always be. And you are the bestest principal we can ever have. You deserve the grandest of celebration, not because it's courteous, but because we sincerely wish to see you smile today and every day of your life. At last, I would again wish you many happy returns of the day. May you stay healthy, safe and enjoy your life. Thank you.
Knowing is not enough, we must apply. Willing is not enough, we must do. So a very charming morning to our great principal